Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheila J, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you can be notified every single time yours truly uploads a new video. If you are not new here, welcome back, but you always come back because I am everyone's favorite everything and your favorite YouTuber, and everything I touch turns to gold. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about Flodesk. We're doing a little quick review, and I'm going through it in the back end, and I'm screen sharing that because I'm in the process of looking for an email marketing service so that I can start sending out newsletters, and I'm working on building a business and a brand. So for me to do that, I need to start creating funnels and emails and getting people on an email service list, an email subscriber list. But for me to do that, I need to find the appropriate company that I want to use for my email marketing. And for me to do that, I want to take you guys on the journey of me finding the right email marketing service company and try out different platforms, show you the back end, tell you the prices, because if I'm going through it, you guys are going through it too. And what better way for me to be holding myself accountable and making sure that I find the right system and getting the right system in place than to put the content out there so you guys can help me choose which one is best, which one you guys think is best. So this is kind of me putting the content out there, holding myself accountable, but also you guys giving your input on which one's services you think are best. And eventually, I'm going to figure out which one is right for me, which one is not. I'm going to share, take your insights of which ones you guys think I should use, and just actually finally come to a choice of which email marketing platform I like the best. And that's one of the reasons why I'm doing these little behind the scenes business videos. Just because I really want to show you guys, hey, if I'm going through it, you're going through it too. And I want to put out the content out there that's different, but while it might be a review, I'm going to give you guys a review, but I'm also giving you guys the back end so you guys can see it. I'm going to try these different platforms out, see which one is great, see which one is not, and give my honest opinion of what I like, what I don't like, and see what's what. And I'm taking you through, I'm literally taking you through it so you could guys see the process and see what I'm doing and see what I'm creating. And when this is all said and done, I hope to find the platform that works for me and what I'm trying to do when all of this is said and done. So, and also, okay, so guys, as I said, we are trying to figure out how to operate the Flodesk, and we're going to figure out if this is even the right thing for me. So we're going to test this out. We're going to navigate the back end. I already created a new account with them, and by the time you guys probably see this video, more than likely this beta pricing is probably not even going to be in effect anymore by the time you see this video, because it expires November 2nd. So their pricing is great. Let's take a look at their pricing before we do anything. Their monthly pricing is $38, unlimited everything, but with that promo code, it brings it down to $19 per everything, and you get a free 30-day trial. I'm trying to sit here. I don't want to sign up for one thing and then end up wanting to change. So I want to test out all the different email marketing programs before I go and think about if it's right for me or not. I really want to make sure that it's great before I go on and use it. And I'm not going to lie, the pricing is great, and it's unlimited everything, and that's amazing. We're just gonna $38, that price point, you can't go wrong with it. My thing is I have multiple emails, and I'm probably like, I have multiple emails and multiple things that I'm trying to have an email for. So I probably might not want to use Flodesk. But we're gonna see. We're gonna test this out, and we're gonna see what we like and what we don't like. But for $38 with this promo code, $19 for unlimited everything. Okay, that price point is absolutely amazing. That's a great price point. But we want to see if this is like even worth our time, like in the back end. And like I said, I'm trying to test out different programs and platforms before I make a final decision. And you guys are gonna help me make that decision. Okay, so I am logged in on the back end of this. I'm logged in, and this is what it looks like on the back end and whatever. So we're just gonna look at some of their things and see what they have and what everything, how this all looks like. Like, their templates are absolute, like, honestly, their templates are gorgeous. I'm not even gonna lie, their templates are gorgeous. But because I'm not used to having email marketing, I don't want to necessarily get something and then I'm not 100% about it. Like, about me, hi friend, welcome letter, what to expect from me, personal story, quiz time, a freebie, an offer. Like, this isn't, honestly, I think if I didn't want to still test out other things, I would go with them. I just, like I said, I don't want to get something if I'm not 100% sure if it does everything that I need it to do. Deliver your freebie. About the see, this is cute. Like, I don't want to get something if I'm not 100% sure. Like, I want to make sure I'm good about it before I go and sign up for something. Especially when, like, I just want to make sure. Like, this takes so long to load. Just kind of takes a little bit of time to load. I'm not gonna lie. So, what are we doing here? We're gonna test this out. I don't know what I did. Okay, whatever. So I'm supposed to have a logo here, but I don't have a logo at the moment, so we're not even going to try to do that. There's supposed to be a picture here. We're just going to add a random picture. Honestly, I didn't know. Oh. And then you can connect your Instagram. Oh. Add your logo again. Brand business address. Okay. I mean, we're not going to do a full-on... I just wanted to see how if this was easy to use. We're not really going to do a full-on... We're just going to put a random address. we're not even gonna put an actual address. We're just gonna put a random address. Like, we don't even, so I can't even move on to the next step because I need to add stuff in here and I'm not about to add anything. But just from looking at this, they also have, they also have plain text stuff. So that's helpful that they have plain text. Honestly, we're not even gonna try. Like, honestly, I think now that I've actually gone through this, I actually think I might actually sign up for this. But I'm feeling good about this, about Flodesk. I think Flodesk actually does make it so much easier to set up things. I want to see what else it does. Like, I want to see if it does anything else. Okay, it has forms too. Yeah, you can create new forms. Let's see what else. Like, let's see. Because I saw the pop up. Inline. Full page. Okay, this is good to know. See, Flodesk might be maybe what I sign up for. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. But we're going to test out other companies before we make our thing. We're waiting for your next workflow. We're going to test out before we go and figure out what we want. They got a welcome sequence. Use this workflow. So they kind of have hi there friend, wait 30 days, hello again, wait 30 days. I like the fact that they do have a workflow, like, where you can already have like a workflow already for you. I kind of like that. They have sales sequence. That actually, like, lead magnet delivery. I really do like that, like, a lot. That adds a lot more, like, a lot less stressful. But again, we still have other ones that we want to look into, so we're gonna look into other ones aside from this one. But this one might be this one is definitely at the top of my list of ones to look into. So if you let me know your comments and let me know your thoughts on Flodesk and let me know what you guys think. I do appreciate you guys for watching. In the description box below, I did write a blog post about it, so let me know what you guys think I should do in the comments below. So guys, as you guys saw, I started using Flodesk and I tried it. In my honest opinion, I feel like it's right for me, but I do want to test out other systems and platforms to see which one is good, which one is not. I think overall, especially with the price point of Flodesk, it might be a really great platform to use and to start off with. My only thing is, since I have different types of businesses, that's my only concern with using it. But and they did say that you can't have more than one, like in order to use the account, you have to make separate accounts for each of your email lists, and I'm not so sure I feel 100% okay with that. But this is at my top choice. Just gonna keep looking and see which ones we find and which ones we don't, and ask questions and see what we can use and what we can't use, and finally come to a decision of which one is great and which one's not. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.